Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2013 G63 wagon. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to use the system and the feature that come with this fantastic system. First of all, let me tell you the specification of the hardware first. This one comes with 10.25 high definition screen, and this one comes with the Android 10.0, the newest version in the market right now. And also this one comes with 4 GB of the memory, 64 GB of storage memory, and you also come with the 1970 by 720 high definition screen. And this one also supports the original interface. You can see that it also supports the original command button as well. You can use the original command button to control the interface. In order to go back to the original interface, just click on the NTG menu here. This is the original interface. All the original features are going to be exactly the same. Okay, in order to go back to the new interface, just need to click the screen. This one also supports the original backup camera. This is the original backup camera here. And just click the screen. You can. This one also comes with the built-in navigation system here. This system is built in. You don't need to connect to any Wi-Fi or maybe the data to use the GPS, because it's this system also comes with the built-in GPS tuner. Other than that, you can also go to the apps here. This one also supports the Wi-Fi. That also means that you can download any application from the Google App Store. We preload some of the software for you. For example, this is the newest version of the Google Map. That also means that you can download the map data to the unit. You can use the Google Map without connecting to the hotspot on the cell phone. You can see that there's an offline feature here, offline map. This system comes with the 64 GB of the memory. It's more than enough. So you next time when you use the Google Map, you don't need to connect to the hotspot. And this one also comes with the internet browser. In order to use the internet browser, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot. This one also comes with YouTube, and this one also comes with the Series XM. You can also use the original Series XM too. Okay, you can also play some movie from the USB. You can download the movie from the computer and play it on the system. This one also comes with the 1970 by 720 high definition screen. You can see that the resolution is actually very high. But of course, I would recommend you guys watch the movie while you're driving. And this one also comes with the 2B, and this one supports the Apple CarPlay by an external dongle. This one also supports the dashboard here. That means this one will connect to the car computer, and you will read all the information like the RPM and also the speedway here. You can also play the music by Bluetooth and anything, you know. So this one actually is very nice. You can download any software system and you fit perfectly fine on the original dash. There's no cutting wire, no modification is required. It's fully compatible with all the original features of this vehicle. Also comes with the Harman Kardon sound system. That means it comes with the fiber optic. But this system is fully compatible with the fiber optic sound system. Now I'm gonna show you some setting about this system if you want to install it by yourself. First of all, go to NTG menu. This is the original menu here. Every time when you want to play the movie or maybe watch the YouTube from the new system, you need to go to audio, go to auxiliary mode. You can, if you want to boost the sound, you can also choose boost. Okay. And then once you and then you can also just hit the screen, and then you will switch back to the new one. Now you can watch from the original amplifier. Other than that, when you do the installation, there are a couple of settings that you need to keep that in mind. For example, if your car comes with the original camera, then you can go to setting here, camera selection, OEM camera. Or if you want to install the aftermarket camera, then you can choose the aftermarket camera here. Another thing is you can also change the brightness here for the screen here. And if your car comes with different resolution of the original screen, then you can also adjust the screen resolution from our new system. But you only need to do that if you have some difficulties when you switch back to the original interface. That means the original interface doesn't match. Okay, then you can go to setting, go back, go all the way down, factory 1314, enter. Make sure don't change anything here. This is the original default setting. Okay, go to car display. If your car comes with the NTG, then you can choose the NTG mode here. Okay, other than that, that's it. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. We will be more than happy to assist you. If you want to purchase this system, you can also go to our website. Our website is www.autotecpro.com. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.